by the Department of Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy. It cut out the old 8-step hiring process down to 5. Last week, the president of the National Air Traffic Controllers Association said that the industry is more than 3,000 controllers short.
After the investigation into the collapse of the Francisco Scott Key Bridge in Baltimore, the NTSB issued recommendations to all 30 owners of 58 bridges in 19 states to perform vulnerability assessments and report their findings. In California, those include several in the Bay Area. That includes the Golden Gate Bridge, the Carquinez Bridge, and the Richmond-San Rafael Bridge. Tom Vacar reports.
All Bay Area bridges are already heavily protected by massive fenders and bumpers. Nonetheless, the National Transportation Safety Board wants Caltrans Antioch, Benicia, Carquinez, Richmond, and San Mateo bridges closely evaluated. The Golden Gate, not a state-owned bridge, and Caltrans Coronado in San Diego are also on that list. Legendary engineer Professor Abul Hassan Astaneh says inspectors want to know if this is true.
The container ships and tankers not being able to hit your bridge. That is the issue here.
The Bay Bridge is not on the list thus far. Its technology was tested by the 2007 Costco Busan and 2013 overseas Raymar collisions with the Bay Bridge. But new megaships are now far larger and far heavier than back then.
Any location where you have large ocean-going ships passing underneath these bridges, they should be evaluated.
In a statement from Sacramento, Caltrans has installed fender systems on all major bridges, further protecting bridge piers from the unlikely and rare event of being struck by marine traffic. All state-owned bridges are regularly inspected to ensure strict structural safety and have been seismically retrofitted to the highest national standards. That is also true for the Golden Gate.
We believe that the Bay Area bridges are well protected.
Caltrans says it will comply.
As far as our bridges in the Bay Area, they have to do the same as any others.
Inspection of all other Bay Area bridges will assess if they need better protection from the new generation of mega ships. Though the Bay Bridge is not on the list, it's scheduled for much larger rubber fenders, less likely to puncture ships and cause spills.
And in so doing, not only protect the bridge superstructure, but also better protect the ship.
That was Tom Vacar reporting.
All right, it's time to check in really quick with weather and see how we're looking out there, Heather.
Yeah, looking ahead to the forecast. The sky is clearing over the valley, but it looks completely different here in the Sierra. Cool, cloudy, showery. More of the same for Saturday. Sunday is going to look and feel a whole lot more like even the middle of spring. We'll go through the extended forecast in a few minutes.